We are going to be teaching you how to use the substitution method to find the 2 points that two different equations meet on a graph. Today we'll be using the equation 2x plus 3y equals 11 and y equals x minus 3. Now the substitution method, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to substitute one of the two variables with an equation. So as saying that these two are equal and have the same point, therefore we'd be able to substitute x minus 3 for y, because y equals 3, x minus 3, therefore any y in the equation always just equals x minus 3 if they are true to each other. So then what we're going to want to do is we're going to rewrite the equation like so. So then, what we're going to do next is we're going to simplify to find out what x equals. Like, first you're going to want to distribute your properties. So, we're going to do this. 3 times x and 3 times negative 3. Therefore, our new equation is 2x plus 3x minus 9 equals 11. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to simplify your equation. So you'll add 2x plus 3x, therefore another equation is 5x minus 9 equals 11. So what you're going to want to do is get rid of this 9, because you want 5 by itself to equal, you want your x to equal something. So we're going to add 9 to this side, and once you do to one side, you gotta do your other. So you're gonna add 9 to this side. Before you have 5x equals 20. Now to find x, you want to get x by itself. So we're gonna divide by 5 on both sides to get x by itself. So then divide by 5, divide by 5. Therefore x equals 4, right? So then what you're gonna want to do to find your y is plug x in one of these equations. What we're going to do is we're going to plug it in the y equals equation. Therefore, we're going to have y equals 4, that's your x from down here, minus 3. Therefore, what you're going to want to do is you're going to simplify, and then you subtract 4 minus 3, which that would equal 1. Therefore, y equals 1. Therefore, the answer to your equation is, the answer to this problem is x equals 4, y equals 1, or you're going to want to use this method whenever you're given an equation in standard form, an equation in either x equals or y equals form, because what you do is you take the last part of the equation and you plug it in for that variable in your equation. So this is where you're going to want to use the substitution method to find the two intersecting points on a graph.